Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you a step-by-step guide on creating a budget that works for your financial success. Budgeting is the cornerstone of smart money management, and by mastering this essential skill, you'll be on the path to achieving your financial goals. So, let's dive in. Why budgeting matters. The importance of budgeting. Before we start creating a budget, let's understand why budgeting is crucial for financial success. Managing your money effectively. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you have control over your money and spend it purposefully. Saving for the future. With a well-planned budget, you can allocate funds towards savings and investments, building a secure financial future. Achieving financial goals. By setting clear financial goals and incorporating them into your budget, you can work towards achieving them methodically. Key elements of budgeting. Tracking expenses. The first step to creating an effective budget is tracking your expenses. Let's discover how to do it. Analyzing your spending habits. Record your expenses for a given period to identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. Utilizing budgeting apps. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB can automate expense tracking, making it easier for you to stay on top of your spending. Setting financial goals. A successful budget is built around clear financial goals. Let's explore setting and prioritizing these goals. Identifying short-term and long-term goals. Categorize your financial goals as short-term, 1-3 years, or long-term, 5+ years, to ensure effective allocation of resources. Prioritizing your goals. Rank your goals based on urgency, importance, and feasibility. This will help you allocate resources accordingly. Prioritizing spending. Budgeting requires making choices and prioritizing your spending. Let's find out how to do it wisely. Distinguish between needs and wants. Clearly differentiate your essential needs from discretionary wants to allocate funds accordingly. Using the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, debt repayment. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net during unexpected financial crises. Let's learn how to set it up. Determining the target amount. Aim to save 3-6 months of living expenses as your emergency fund, providing a buffer in times of job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected expenses. Automating savings. Automate a portion of your income to be directly deposited into the emergency fund, ensuring consistent and reliable savings. Practical tips for budgeting success. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Budgeting is an iterative process. Let's look at some tips for keeping your budget on track. Monthly budget reviews. Set aside time each month to review your budget, track progress, and make necessary adjustments. Adapt to life changes. Modify your budget to accommodate life changes such as salary changes, new expenses, or achieving financial milestones. Stay disciplined and focused. Budgeting requires discipline and focus. Let's uncover ways to stay motivated. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge your achievements when you reach specific financial milestones. It will keep you motivated throughout your budgeting journey. Seek support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals or join online communities to share experiences, gain insights, and stay motivated. And there you have it. A comprehensive step-by-step guide to creating a budget that works for your financial success. Remember, budgeting is a skill that requires practice and adjustment over time. By following these strategies and staying committed to your financial goals, you'll be on the path to financial freedom and a secure future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights. insightful content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. See you next time.